Traders, it's Friday. Woohoo! We made it. Friday the 8th of September to be exact. And we're going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. Right, let's get started. So yesterday's trades was all about pound. I'm going to write it out. Yeah, pound weakness. All right. And that's pretty much what happened. As you can see, we were looking at pound US dollar first of all. We was in a downtrend. We had this nice bearish candle that broke these lows here. Yeah, and the idea was just to continue momentum down. And that's exactly what happened, guys. Yeah, it come down and hit target. But if you look on the lower time frames, it just didn't retrace, guys. You know, it just came down. Yeah. So if you're already in the trade, that's wonderful news. But if you're not in the trade, it's difficult to get in it. Yeah. So I wanted to see something like this, a reaction into here, and then it comes down. All right. So yeah, this was the story for all of the pound pairs yesterday. The other one we were looking at was pound Canadian dollar. Start with the day chart. Again, guys. Yeah. Yeah, we ended up in a downtrend. Yeah, lower lows. Once this level broke, yeah, with this candle here, yeah, breaking these lows, just looking to take it down to the next area of support. And that was this 1700 level. And look, bang, hit target pretty much straight away. But again, if you look at the H4, just no retrace, guys. Yeah, it just comes flying down, hits target. We get a retrace after it's hit target, but then I'm not interested. Yeah, because this is target for a reason, because it could be potential support. And judging by this, we've had a very bullish reaction at that level. So I'm not interested in shorting that back down again. And the final one was pound New Zealand dollar. Similar scenario. Yeah, if we go to the day chart, again, we were just looking to take price, yeah, a little bit lower. So we found ourselves in a range. We was at the top of this range with a bearish candle, and we just wanted to come to the bottom of the range. Again, guys, not rocket science, just simple price action, structure, support resistance, candlesticks. Yeah. Trying to take it back down to this level. If we look at the H4, again, it just all happened so quickly. Yeah, got this huge candle, bang, bang, down to target. Okay, and again, you know, no retrace. Didn't give me a chance to get in, guys. Even if we got this break, you can't really enter here, and here's your target. You know what I mean? Your risk to reward will be terrible. So yeah, and then once I see this, you know, it does retrace, but again, not interested. It's hit these lows. It's bouncing off here for a reason. So that was the story of the pound pairs. But we was also looking at New Zealand Swiss franc. I am still in this trade. I've been in this trade for about 12 years now. Only joking, it feels like that. Because our target's up here. Yeah, we're still looking to hit this target up here. But if we start with the day chart, guys, yeah, the idea hasn't changed. Yeah, we were actually, my big head is in the way. I apologize. We were in a downtrend. Yeah, it wasn't, you know, these highs were holding, but we were seeing higher lows, always a red flag. We got this candle that broke these highs. Therefore, as soon as that happens, we're in an uptrend. Okay, and then prices retraced all the way back to these lows. And I just like this area. There's so much value here. But not only that, we are getting a bullish reaction with these wicks as well. And the idea is still to come back up just to get these last daily highs here. Yeah, and it's still looking good, to be honest with you guys. I don't like this candle. You know, in fact, I might even move my target to the top of this candle. Yeah, trade what you see, not what you want. So I may do this today. All right, we'll see what the price does when it hits this level. In fact, I will move my alarm there because that's what I want to do. Yeah, move my alarm there and see how price reacts at that level. So yeah, if you're in this trade, I still think this will be will go higher. If we drop down to the H1, because there was an entry here. Like I say, guys, I was already in this trade, but there was this candle here, which was a nice entry. Why was it a nice entry? Well, if we just follow structure. So at this point, we're thinking, okay, maybe a downtrend. Yeah, but it didn't. These lows never broke. And then we got a price pushed up. And when we see this candle that breaks this last high, that is a change in H1 structure. I also like the fact that we're above the moving average 20. Yeah. Enter here, stop below the swing low. You know, you would have got your risk to reward of 1:1. Yeah. Take some profit. Yeah. And leave some money to run. If we look at the H4 guys as well, it was a nice play there. You know, you can see you could have been more aggressive. Yeah, once we get this H4 candle here at this trend line, you know, we could have been more aggressive and entered there. All right, but you can see it's still using this trend line. Okay, so yeah, the idea is still to come back up to here, but I will see what price does here. And the last one was Aussie dollar Swiss franc, obviously highly correlated with New Zealand Swiss franc, and so therefore didn't trade it because I'm already in it. But let me just put this in because I'm seeing a trend line right now. Yeah. So this is interesting. Let's go to the day chart though to look at why we were taking the buy. And it's a similar story to New Zealand Swiss franc, guys. Yeah, we was in a downtrend clearly. But then we started getting higher highs, higher lows. Yeah, always a red flag. And when these highs, this area of resistance broke, we've been looking for buys. Again, price retraced all the way back down to these lows, and we got a bit of a bullish reaction in here. And the idea is still to take price back up to these daily highs. Again, guys, I'm not liking these candles on the day chart. Yeah, look at these candles. There's rejection at this level. So perhaps if you are in this, you know, you could take, you could, you know, like I say, put your target here. Yeah, trade what you see, not what you want. And what do I mean by that? Well, I want price to come up to here. But the market is telling me there's resistance here. Okay, so maybe even close some of your trade here and let some run. So yeah, those were the trades from yesterday, guys. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed my analysis from yesterday, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Smash that notification button so you receive an alert every single day. And also, guys, please smash the like button. Yeah, it really helps support the vid and the channel. Much appreciated, guys. All right. So trades for Friday, the 8th of September. Before I get started, guys, let me just mention a few things. So first of all, we've got the free Discord channel. It's free. Come join it. We've got traders on there sharing ideas, knowledge. We've got psychology. We've got indicators. We've got useful links. Loads of cool things, guys. Come join the free Discord channel. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, we also have a VIP Discord channel. Okay, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions if you need help. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We also have 2 other expert traders sharing their ideas. I give you exclusive content every single week, and you also get access to a performance coach, guys, as well as other VIP traders, guys. So come join the VIP Discord. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to be coached or mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you all the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. And also, guys, yeah, if you watch the videos every day, enjoy my live stream, enjoy the analysis vids, then you can come show your support and become a YouTube member of Simply Forex. There's loads of cool perks for doing so as well, and it starts from as little as under $2 a month. So check that out as well. And don't forget our live streams every day, Monday to Thursday, not Friday, Monday to Thursday, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Right. Let's get started then, guys. Itchy eye. So, to be honest with you guys, not a lot has been setting up, or not a lot is setting up today. All right. So, I was looking at a couple of US dollar pairs, but I'm going to tell you why I am not trading them. Okay. So, if you looked at US dollar, Canadian dollar, yeah, we're in an uptrend. It's just, carried on this bullish candle has literally just, closed above this grey area and up these last highs, potentially could be a buy. Yeah, it could, which would mean US dollar strength. Also, New Zealand US dollar. Yeah, we're getting, we've broken these lows with this candle here. We're in a downtrend. Potentially we could come lower, and we could. But when I trade the US dollar majors, I'm also looking at all of them. So US dollar, and New Zealand US dollar would suggest we can carry on with this US dollar strength. And US dollar Swiss franc. Yeah, look, this is breaking through. Yeah. So lots of them are, but then we just look at a couple of other pairs, for example. Let's look at pound US dollar. So this is hitting a very nice weekly zone. Yeah, it's hitting a very nice weekly zone. Could it carry on down into this zone? Yes, it could. Yeah, of course it could. But I don't want to be selling into this area. There's going to be big buyers in here. Yeah, so I don't want to sell into this area. Same with euro US dollar. Yeah, this is the weekly chart. Yeah. You're going to get big buyers in here. Could it come a little bit further into the grey zone? Of course it could. But I don't want to take my chances. I don't want to, try to sell into somewhere where there's big buyers. There'll be big institutional money in here. Okay. And also Aussie dollar, US dollar. Yeah. Although if we look at the day chart, this is telling me we haven't broke these lows. Price could come back up to here as part of this range. So there's a couple of US dollar majors telling me we can continue with this US dollar strength. And there's a couple of US dollar majors telling me that we can't. So I stay out. Yeah, I don't want that conflict. Okay. So to be honest with you guys, there's no Forex pairs that I'm interested in today. I'm still interested in, New Zealand Swiss franc. I still think that's got room to the upside, and I'm still in this trade. Okay, but because of this wick, it's not a A1 setup. It's just the fact that I'm still in it. So what I am looking at, and what there are some really nice setups, is on the indices. Okay, so some of you trade the indices, you indice traders will be happy. Yeah, so let's take a look at those. And these are the only setups I'm seeing, guys. So the NASDAQ, yeah, check this out. Yeah, so we was in a downtrend. Yeah, bang, yeah, uptrend, bang, uptrend. We've got higher lows, higher highs. Yeah, is this the new potential higher low? Maybe. Okay, so first of all, we're in an uptrend. If I zoom out a little bit, you can see this grey zone through here has proven to be very good support and resistance. Okay. And as we talked about in the live stream, price has literally just come down and touched this moving average 20 and pinged back off. So we've got double support here. We've got the moving average 20 and this horizontal grey zone, support zone. And I like this wick, guys. We've got a nice wick bouncing off this level. So the idea is to take price back up to here with the NASDAQ. So that's the idea, guys. If we drop down to the H4, you know, we're not going to see a structure break on the H4 anytime soon, but we have had a nice bullish candle react there, okay, in our support zone. But this is more of a H1 structure break, if anything, guys. So you can see I've put this smaller grey zone in here. Yeah, and why have I done that? Well, price reacted here before. Yeah, it's reacted again. So this becomes an important level. And what I'm looking for, guys, is a break. Maybe price does this, does this. I'm waiting for a break of this level. Okay, once price breaks this level, we can start buying back up to here. You know, put your stop below the last H1 swing low. Okay, so yeah, this is what we're looking to do with the NASDAQ, guys. You could be more aggressive. Let's say price comes down to here and then you get a bullish reaction. Yeah, you can trade this. It's more aggressive because you haven't had a structure break. The structure break for me is an extra piece of, well, an important piece of confluence, an important reason to enter the trade. But this is still viable. But yeah, I want to see a break of this level. We can start buying and a nice bullish candle. So yeah, NASDAQ, and the other one is the S&P. Yeah, so similar scenario, guys. If we go down to the day chart, you know, very similar trade. All right, if we zoom out, you can see again we've got this important grey zone, this area of support and resistance. Okay, if I zoom in now, you can also see we were in a downtrend. Yeah, but then, you know, again, keep an eye out for this, higher lows, and then bang, yeah, we get higher highs. We're in an uptrend, and all we're waiting for is a retrace to value. And this in here is value, like it was with the NASDAQ. Nice value area, because we've got lots of room to move into. And yeah, and just we want to take it back to the daily highs, guys. That's the idea. If we drop down to the H4, again, there's no level here that's clear and needs breaking. Yeah, and you to get a H4 structure break, you probably will be waiting some time. But again, we've had a nice bullish candle. So if we drop down to the H1, it's more about a structure break here. And this is less clear than the NASDAQ because, you know, is this a level? We're not really sure yet, guys. What we want to do is just follow H1 structure. So currently, you know, we are still in a downtrend. We're here, okay? And we just want to see a break in structure. So, you know, maybe something like this happens. Yeah, and this confirms that this is an important level, and then we break it. Yeah, or even, you know, something like this happens. Yeah, you know, it doesn't matter how price takes shape. We need to see a break of H1 structure. All right, so that's what I'm looking for in S&P. This level could be it. Yeah, we just don't know yet. It's not strong enough. It hasn't been confirmed enough times. Okay, but if it is, we're looking for this, and then again we can buy and take it back up to here. All right, guys. So yeah, it's all about the indices today. S&P buy, NASDAQ buy. And guys, yeah, if I can just ask you, if you enjoy my trade ideas, to smash the like button. Yeah, smash the like button right now. Also subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget all the cool things we do. Yeah, free Discord, VIP Discord, mentorship program, Simply Forex YouTube membership, and the live streams. All right, all the information is in the video description. Let's check out the news now. So news for Friday, the 8th of September, guys. So quite a light news day, really. Overnight, we did have the GDP of Japan coming out, and that was worse than expected. But the yen, I looked at my US dollar yen trade, the yen whipped down. So, yeah, an unusual reaction there, but that's been and gone. And the other pieces of news we're interested in is this. So at 7 o'clock, London GMT, you may not be awake, but German CPI. Obviously, guys, CPI is still very important because of inflation. So, yeah, this could really move any euro pair. Must keep an eye on this. And the next piece of news that I think we must keep an eye on if you're in a Canadian dollar pair is this. At 1:30 London GMT, we got the employment change and the unemployment rate. So, guys, this is big employment news for Canada. So this could really move any Canadian pair. And other than that, guys, no news to worry about. All right. So, yeah, quite a light news day, guys. You're free to trade. I hope you have a great trading day. Also, have a great weekend, and I'll catch up with you soon.